Today we're going to demonstrate a field test method for measurement of P alkalinity in water samples. This is a titration method, and the reference code for this method sheet, should you need to request it, is ATM002 or reagent pack 4. The range for this method is 10 to 3000 mg per litre. For this test you'll need the following reagents: alkalinity titrant A003, phenolphthalein indicator A011. If chlorine or bromine is in use, you will also need dechlorinating reagent A009. Please note this is not included in the reagent pack and needs to be purchased separately. Select an appropriate sample size based on the required milligrams per litre per drop of alkalinity titrant and filter the sample if necessary. In this demonstration, we'll be using a 20 ml sample. If chlorine or bromine is in use, add 10 drops of dechlorinating reagent. Add 3 to 5 drops of phenolphthalein indicator to the sample and swirl to mix. If the sample develops a pink-purple colour, then P alkalinity is present. Moisten and wipe the tip of the alkalinity titrant dropper to ensure it's clean, then add it 1 drop at a time to the sample, counting the number of drops until the colour changes from pink-purple to colourless. Using the formula on the method sheet, calculate the P alkalinity concentration. On a 20 ml sample, each drop represents 20 mg per litre of P alk. For example, if the test took 36 drops, then you would multiply 36 by 20, which would give a P alk level of 720 mg per litre.